run for my money. There is nobody, no one that'll run me.
Another world premiere.
So give me a run for my money.
Dream guy, that guy. If I could kiss this type of guy, I'd just settle the grand.
Guy, engayifumana ne. Ibe right episode.
Njalo lendlela uthanda ngayo.
Ewe. Yona ube ngumuntu ophuphayo kodwa. Yabo? Yeah. Umuntu ophuphayo so sibe ne-plans yabo. Noma ngathi siyaqhathana ngo but ke
At least just
siplane.
yeah.
Yabo? Ngamnandi.
Tell me this. If you woke up tomorrow and you're the richest woman, like even lapha eStem Cape, man. Malaka kona wathathu wangehlanga ukusela ukuthi ngakwenza.
Ndiyohlamba. Yo. Nobiphi.
Yeah, like that guy I'm talking about Rafta if I got the money and Chura, they will warm.
Waphi.
Hey!
Waphi.
So it was Aku an ex-boyfriend? Is it someone?
The ex.
What happened?
BP distance.
Islam, just kidding boys. It's you or him.
Nengxaki ne-business.
So to call us in this
Ewe ndiyayifuna la love. Ewe.
physically.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yini?
So tell me of like the weird moment or bad moment or saddest moment in love. When we found out la love. That the la love, the but and the la love.
It's too much.
Hey. Yeah.
Ngicela ingabi too much. Yes, must date. Kube right sithandane but too much love. Hayi iyabuza. Iyabuza.
So let's say you got this guy, Yamtanda, it's time you but you will make it too much love. So you just decide to change your number, change it and go away or what?
Hayi ndiyamxelela. Cela kakuhle cela ngoba sithatha i-break nje siphumulelane nje kancane.
Then the guys like you are suspect that guys. Then you see
Ngizotsho kaloku ndithi mhlawumbi ndinengxaki mna. Yo hayi ke undibethile. Hayibo. Hayi.
Your ground was Umchita is standing for what he wants. So you should stand for what you want as well. Yabo? Xa umxelela nebuda ndiyakulahla uxela no wangumgqomo wangududa ngilapha. So what you going to say?
Yamisa ke lo.
Yeah?
Hawu uyamisa nyani lo.
So,
But uzomignora cha. Andithi umxelele wena uba ufuna ukuthini.
Ungathi uyayazi ukufuna so like lapha phansi.
Ekugqibeni uzondibona uba ndikho kuye ke ngoku. Yabo?
So
Ngizobe ndidikwe like
you push them
indikwe.
away.
Ewe.
How would you feel if someone on Tandayo would do that to you, up pushing away? And you'd be the one going there, okay? You'd be the one calling, paying the phone and still pushing away.
Yenzeka yazi lo.
So how would you feel?
Ebuhlungu.
Imagine how many people
Hayi cinga icinga into xa uyenza omnye umuntu uyayicinga
enjalo foul play. Xa udlala i-rough game unyathelo unyathelo.
nonyathelo.
You see?
Yeah.
So ungathini kwenye umuntu mhlawumbe wonke wamnyathela kule game? I think I'm playing a rough game show. What is that? Now ungathini kuwe akuwe manje akumanyela. Yeah.
Yo. Okay.
Yeah.
Yo, you know, nethi bekla moment ne.
Heartbroken izipieces nanzi uyiphethe. So ufuna nje at least uyilungise uba makazifile good again.
Ngexolisa. Akho nto ugqitha uxolo. Andiyazi bona ngathini ingxaki andithandi becela
But
uxolo.
you deep down, you put me through hell, then you just come in and you know what kids used to say, I call them 17. That's when you're gonna get that answer, we call them 17. I don't need it. And sometimes you're just gonna comfort my heart. I'm sorry.
Like I never ndithi uxolo sorry ngento endayenzayo ngongeko ndingakwazi ucinga ngela xesha yabona try to put it comfort words.
Now we are puzzled to your relationship.
Yeah.
So change your mind.
Oh.
So you're not even willing to change the mind.
Yeah.
So when umuntu tries to look forward and not look back.
Yeah.
Why?
Just because yazi into ozijonga ngemva siyakubuyisela emva yabo phethe sowuphindela kwezaa mistakes zangemva yabo
So you'd rather look forward. Why is it
Gqitha.
because you're not gonna mistake?
yabo xa ndibuyumva iyafana behleli ndizophinde ndiye phambili yabo.
Yeah, man. The message you're making, the other girl now out there. The same girl who went through what you went through. That girl is sitting there who likes laughing, who likes having fun. What is the that message you're about
Umntu makayeke uthanda ubumnandi. Ewe uthanda ubumnandi. But ingasuqala uzivele ne i-taste ungathi andizuyenza just because ukuhle wathi mangayenzi ne ingasuqala uvume ngaphakathi kwakuba no andizuyenza into ethile yabo uzicebise nje engqondweni ngokwakho then kwecala loba uku-in love waphoxeka ngayibekezela manje iyagqitha ayagqitha nyhani kofika omnye iyagqitha.
Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing. Hey, I got something. Hold up, we gon' function. Hey, no assumption. Hey, feeling like Tyson with it. Knock it out twice, I'm with it. Only for the night, I'm kidding. Only for life, yeah, only for life, yeah, only for life. Let's get it. Hit that shoulder lean.